Are you ready to embark on an epic journey through the vast expanse of the universe? Join us as we explore the wonders of space and unlock the secrets of our cosmos with NASA's Hubble Telescope. From breathtaking images of distant galaxies to groundbreaking discoveries about the age and composition of our universe, this video will take you on a thrilling ride through the cosmos. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to expand your knowledge and curiosity about the universe. Click now to watch the amazing revelations from NASA's Hubble Telescope. What is the Hubble Space Telescope? The Hubble Space Telescope is large in space. It was launched into orbit by the Space Shuttle Discovery on April 24, 1990. Hubble orbits about 535 kilometers, 332 miles, above Earth. It is the length of a large school bus and weighs as many as 2 adult elephants. Hubble travels about 5 miles per second. That is like traveling from the eastern coast of the United States to the west coast in 10 minutes. Hubble is solar-powered. Hubble takes sharp pictures of objects in the sky, such as planets, stars, and galaxies. Hubble has made more than 1 million observations. These include detailed pictures of the birth and death of stars, galaxies billions of light-years away, and comet pieces crashing into Jupiter's atmosphere. Scientists have learned a lot about the universe from these pictures. Many of them are beautiful to look at. Hubble Telescope, revealing universe's secrets. In 2016, Hubble helped to confirm the presence of water outside the Moon as well, when it confirmed there was a plume of water ice fontaining high over Europa, forced up from an underwater ocean through the cracks in the Moon's crust. Those observations are still taking place, still being studied, and are still somewhat controversial. But that's the exciting thing about being on the cutting edge of science, doing and redoing these observations, reanalyzing them, and working out exactly what it is we're seeing. Initiatives like these are laid out long in advance, but not all of Hubble's work is planned out so far ahead. Some of its greatest triumphs have come from those times when the solar system threw out something unexpected. Those events which make astronomers drop whatever they're doing and race to the nearest telescope. When those events come along, Hubble is always in demand. One of Hubble's most famous detections happened early on in its career when comet Shoemaker-Levy 9 unexpectedly collided with Jupiter in 1994. Hubble's discovery. In 2006, Hubble set its sights on the mesmerizing Orion Nebula and discovered 16 planets nuzzled within its beautiful confines. Before the Kepler spacecraft launched in 2009 and began searching the galaxy for exoplanets, the number of known planets outside of our solar system was limited. This Hubble discovery was a momentous find that strongly hinted at the prevalence of planets throughout our universe. Before the dawn of Hubble, throughout the 1960s, 70s, and 80s, astronomers had a suspicion about what lurked at the center of galaxies, but they needed the high-resolution power of Hubble to support their theory. We now know that at the center of every galaxy is a supermassive black hole, and that the larger the size of a galaxy's central bulge, the more massive its black hole is. 60 years of discovery. 60 years after Edwin Hubble's discovery, his namesake, the Hubble Space Telescope clearly revealed galaxies as time capsules that chronicle the evolution of the universe, from the birth of the first stars to the buildup of immense galaxy clusters, groupings of hundreds or thousands of galaxies bound together by gravity. These findings are the first hints of the origin of the Sun and Earth in the vast and wondrous chronology of the cosmos. Hubble's research about the universe. The Hubble Space Telescope has glimpsed farther away into the universe than any observatory before, producing the first of 6 new deep-field images that show objects from the first billion years after the Big Bang. The new photo was exposed for 50 hours to gather enough light and revealed extremely faint, tiny galaxies that may be more than 12 billion light-years away. It is the deepest view of the universe ever taken, says project leader Jennifer Lotz of the Space Telescope Science Institute, STSI, in Baltimore. We're seeing things 10 or 20 times fainter than anything we've seen before. Lotz and her colleagues presented the image today here at the 223rd meeting of the American Astronomical Society. Hubble's first deep field image, released in 1996, became instantly famous for revealing about 3,000 previously unknown galaxies that showed up in an apparently blank spot of space when Hubble trained its camera there for dozens of hours. The newest deep fields, called Hubble Frontier Fields, use updated cameras on Hubble and look even farther by taking advantage of the universe's own natural telescopes, called gravitational lenses. NASA has released the most colorful image of the universe to date, a composite of images taken over 9 years by the Hubble Space Telescope and revealing around 10,000 galaxies spread across space. The image also combines ultraviolet light imagery to reveal stars we couldn't see previously, and includes galaxies dating as old as 10 billion years. Hubble's XDF. The Hubble Space Telescope has captured the farthest ever view into the universe, a photo that reveals thousands of galaxies billions of light years away. The picture, called Extreme Deep Field, or XDF, combines 10 years of Hubble telescope views of one patch of sky. Only the accumulated light gathered over so many observation sessions can reveal such distant objects, some of which are 1/10,000,000th the brightness that the human eye can see. The XDF is the deepest image of the sky ever obtained and reveals the faintest and most distant galaxies ever seen. Garth Illingworth of the University of California at Santa Cruz, principal investigator of the Hubble Ultra Deep Field 2009 program, said in a statement, "XDF allows us to explore further back in time than ever before." The photo reveals a wide range of galaxies, from spirals that are Milky Way lookalikes to hazy reddish blobs that are the result of collisions between galaxies. Some of the very tiny faint galaxies could be the seeds from which the biggest galaxies around today grew. Best discovery. The Hubble Space Telescope has been instrumental in making significant discoveries in astronomy and astrophysics, including the expansion rate of the universe, the age of the universe, the existence of dark energy and dark matter, the formation of planets and stars, and the evolution of galaxies. One of Hubble's most famous images is the Pillars of Creation, a stunning image of 3 massive columns of gas and dust in the Eagle Nebula. This image has helped scientists understand the processes of star formation and the structure of interstellar gas and dust. The Hubble has also been used to study the atmospheres of exoplanets, planets outside our solar system, providing valuable insights into the potential for life beyond Earth. In 2015, the Hubble captured the first ever direct image of a planet orbiting another star, called Fomalhaut b. In addition to its scientific contributions, the Hubble has also captured the public's imagination with its stunning images of the cosmos and has become a symbol of humanity's curiosity and exploration of the universe. Although the Hubble has been in operation for over 30 years, it continues to produce groundbreaking science and awe-inspiring images. In conclusion, NASA's Hubble Space Telescope has been a game-changer in the field of astronomy and has revealed some of the universe's greatest secrets. Its groundbreaking discoveries and awe-inspiring images have captured the imagination of people worldwide, inspiring future generations of scientists and explorers. Don't miss out on the opportunity to explore the cosmos and uncover its secrets. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, or you will miss out on our videos. Start your journey today.